Good morning, my dear children. Here in this module, we will discuss about the different expenditures of the government, which is the topic from the unit Government, Budget and the Economy. So, we have discussed already about the two types of expenditure, revenue expenditure and the capital expenditure. Next, we are going to discuss about the plan expenditure as well as the non-plan expenditure. So, if we define the plan expenditure, it refers to the expenditure that is incurred on the programs detailed in the current 5 year. Non-plan expenditure refers to the expenditure other than the expenditure related to the current 5-year plan. So, here that is the expenditure, what all we have to expend it for our country for the 5 year, it is taken into consideration under the plan expenditure, and non-plan expenditure refers to the expenditure other than the expenditure related to the current 5-year plan. The plan expenditure is non-plan expenditure. So, here they have distinguished between the plan expenditure as well as the non-plan expenditure. Plan expenditure is spent on the current development and investment outlays. It arises only when the plans provide for such expenditure. So, children, the plan expenditure means the expenditure upon the current development plans and the investment outlays that we have currently did. That is the plan expenditure, and it arises only when the plans provides for such expenditure. Whereas non-plan expenditure means it is spent on the routine functioning of the government. It is a must for every economy and the government cannot escape from it. So, what all the routine functions of the government, such expenditures are called as non-plan expenditure. Whereas it is a must for every economy and the government cannot escape from it also. These are the two types of expenditure, the plan expenditure and the unplanned expenditure. And children, the next question is how we can classify the expenditure as whether it is a plan expenditure or whether it is an unplanned expenditure. How we can able to know? So, if an expenditure is a plan expenditure, if it arises due to the plan proposals. So, what all the plans we have already planned. According to that, what all we are expending our money, it comes under the plan expenditure. Whereas the non-plan expenditure means it is out of the scope of the government plans. That is the non-plan expenditure if it is out of the scope of the government plans. So, that is the two types of expenditure, and this is the manner through how we can classify the expenditure, whether it is a plan expenditure as well as the non-plan expenditure. Next one related to the developmental expenditure and non-developmental expenditure. The developmental expenditure means it is related to the economic and the social development of a country. It directly contributes to the development of our country. It is productive in nature as it adds to the flow of goods and services. So children, actually it is also the expenditure which we expend upon for what? Yes, for social development as well as economic development of our country. What all the money expended by the government, it comes under the which one? Developmental expenditure, and it directly contributes to the development of our country. And more than that, it is productive in nature, and it adds to the flow of the goods and the services. So children, this is regarding the development expenditure. And what is non-development expenditure? It refers to the expenditure which is incurred by the government for the essential general services of the government. We know that what are the essential general services provided by the government, right? Yes, which are the medical facilities, about the education, the health as well as sanitation, and what all the different developmental activities needed by the government. Such activities all comes under the non-developmental expenditure. And if the development expenditure directly contributes to the development, means the non-development expenditure does not contribute directly to the development of our country. But what it does, it lubricates the wheels of the economic development. What is that? It lubricates means, what is that? Yes, it loosens, right? That is, if you put an oil to an engine, what happens? Yes, it boosts up the what? The growth of our country. It lubricates the wheels of the economic development. And it is not concerned with the productivity of the working classes also. That means it does not deals with the productivity, because it's not concerned with the developmental activities. What happens to the productivity of the workers? Yes, here it is nil. It does not concern with the productivity of the working classes. So children, what all we have discussed now, it is about the plan expenditure as well as the non-plan expenditure, and the next one is about the developmental expenditure and the non-developmental expenditure. So children, this is the manner through the government's expenditure has divided into various categories. So children, I hope this session is clear for you. Thank you children for watching this video.